Building modern web applications is complex. As applications grow, they can become difficult to manage. This is where micro-frontends come in. Micro-frontends are a new approach to building web applications. They take inspiration from microservices, which are popular for back-end development. Instead of having one large monolithic front-end, micro-frontends divided into smaller independent parts. Imagine a team of chefs working together. Each chef focuses on a specific dish, like appetizers, main courses, or desserts. They can work independently and combine their creations to create a delicious meal. Similarly, micro-frontends enable teams to work on different parts of an application simultaneously. This makes development faster and more efficient. Each micro-frontend is responsible for a specific feature or section of the application. For example, one team can work on the product catalog, while another team focuses on the shopping cart. These teams can choose the best technologies for their specific tasks. They don't have to use the same technologies as other teams. This approach offers flexibility and allows teams to leverage their expertise. It also means that updating one part of the application won't break other parts. This makes it easier to maintain and scale applications over time. Micro-frontends offer several benefits for front-end development. One major advantage is improved scalability. By breaking down a large application into smaller parts, teams can scale individual components more easily. This is especially important for applications that experience high traffic or require frequent updates. Another benefit is enhanced team collaboration. Micro-frontends allow teams to work independently and autonomously. Each team can have its own codebase, development process, and deployment pipeline. This reduces dependencies and allows teams to work at their own pace. Faster deployments are another key advantage. With micro-frontends, teams can deploy updates to specific features without affecting other parts of the application. This speeds up development cycles and allows for continuous delivery. Additionally, micro-frontends simplify testing. By isolating individual components, developers can test them thoroughly and independently. This leads to higher quality code and fewer bugs in production. Many large companies have successfully implemented micro-frontends. For example, Spotify uses micro-frontends to build its web player. This allows them to scale their development process and deliver new features quickly. Another example is IKEA, which uses micro-frontends to manage its complex e-commerce platform. Several tools and frameworks simplify the development of micro-frontends. Webpack Module Federation is a popular tool that enables code sharing between independent applications. Single SPA is a framework for building micro-frontends that provides routing and orchestration capabilities. These tools make it easier to manage and deploy micro-frontends. Let's outline a simple demo to illustrate how to build a micro-frontend application. Imagine we're creating an e-commerce website. We can divide it into 3 micro-frontends: a header, a product list, and a footer. First, we'll create separate projects for each micro-frontend and a container application. Next, we'll configure Webpack to expose components from each micro-frontend using Module Federation. In the container application, we'll configure Webpack to consume the exposed modules from each micro-frontend. We can use a tool like Single SPA to dynamically render the appropriate micro-frontend based on the current URL or user interaction. Finally, we can deploy each micro-frontend to a separate server. The container application will load and integrate them at runtime. This demo highlights the basic principles of building micro-frontends. Each step involves specific configurations and code examples which can be explored in detail in a full tutorial. In conclusion, micro-frontends offer a compelling approach to building modern, scalable, and maintainable web applications. They empower teams, enhance flexibility, and improve the development process. While they might not be suitable for every project, their benefits make them a valuable architectural pattern to consider for complex web development endeavors.